So I'm gonna do this video for everybody that wants to figure out the easiest, best way to get a SIM card here in Vietnam. So besides getting a SIM card at the airport, which probably is the easiest way, it might not be the best or the cheapest way. So if you want to just land in Vietnam and get a SIM card the easiest way, you would just land. Once you cross through immigration, they have a bunch of these phone stall booths, and you could just buy a SIM card. Usually they're about 200,000 or about 12 US dollars, 10 US dollars. Now, if you don't want to basically take the risk, in my previous video, I purchased one from the airport, and about 3 days later it was shut off, even though I purchased a 30-day monthly SIM card plan. They didn't register my card, they didn't register my SIM card, so basically it was shut down. It caused a little bit of an issue, mostly because I didn't have internet and I needed to figure out how to get to the Vinaphone store. So basically, to make a long story short, yes, the airport is the easiest. It's not the most affordable, and you can also run into problems like your SIM card might shut off on you a few days early. So what I would advise you to do, if you don't want no hassle, no stress, just get it straight from the airport, overpay, and cross your fingers and hope there's no issues. But I'm doing this video here for people that are either in Vietnam and want to get a SIM card in person, or don't want to pay the inflated price of the airport. I'm gonna show you exactly how we're gonna go down and go get a SIM card. The reason why I believe this is the best way is because I'm actually doing it. I've never purchased a SIM card this way, so you're gonna learn from my mistakes and figure out exactly how to do it the perfect way when you guys get here. So what my overall plan is right now is to go in here to this store. Well, first we need to find a place that sells, they're like scratch off, they're called load or recharge cards. And basically they're kind of like a gift card. You scratch them off and then you enter those numbers on your phone app, which I'll show you guys in a few minutes. You enter those numbers and you basically pick a plan. So right now our first step is to navigate these crazy streets of Da Nang, Vietnam, and to find a place that sells one of these scratch off reload cards.
Hello, man.
Hello.
You crazy?
I'm crazy. I think we've seen that guy. I think that guy is the guy that we seen at the Thai restaurant with the scooter. That guy, I think, is a well-known celebrity. He's famous or infamous, depending on who you probably ask. So we're looking for something like this, but like I said, it's the holiday, so I believe it's closed. So on to the next spot. So we're gonna make our way back this way, and I kind of have a feeling that all these places are gonna be closed today. So I might actually strike out today and might not be able to get my SIM card loaded back up, because right now, as we're doing this video, I do not have any internet service. So luckily I downloaded the offline maps and I kind of know this neighborhood, so that's at least saving me a little bit. And I'm able to use the internet from my apartment before I go out to kind of set up a map and navigate and plan. But I would like to be able to get the SIM card. What's up, Scruffy? Look at, there's another dog over there too. There's one and another dog hiding in the back over there. It's like they're security guards. They're watching out for the neighborhood. You see another little dog right there. So it looks like they're still repairing it. Doggy! Let's take a look. So this one, Vinaphone. Let me take this out. Maybe they have it. Let's try to take a look. I need to purchase a Vinaphone.
Vinaphone, yeah.
The scratch? For the scratch card, the 120,000.
Yeah. Hey!
What's up, doggy?
I'm
Ah, okay. So then do I, when I buy it, okay.
Yeah.
So I scratch those two, scratch those off on the app. Okay. So I think, it's okay. I do it later. 120. Thank you. So I just scratch these off and then I put them in on the app. Thank you. So it looks like that we got lucky, and I think these are what they look like. So this one is 100,000 and it gives you 60 gigabytes, I guess. Or at least that's something what I'm looking at. This is the back. You'll scratch this off. And the plan that I seen was 120,000, which is the reason why I got the two cards. One is for 100,000, the other is for 20,000. What's up, Ducky? So hopefully that will be it, and that was the hardest part of trying to locate the actual load card. So we'll definitely check that out in a little bit. They got these little griddles and then on these hot coals, and it's kind of like a thin batter, and then they put some vegetables and some meat. Hello.
Yeah.
So do you guys sell the SIM cards?
How much?
Like the scratch ones for like 100,000? Do you guys sell those here? Like they're the little cards that you scratch off.
1, 2.
Oh, down this way?
Yeah.
Okay. So
1,
2. Okay, thank you. So I think that place is more of like a equipment or stuff like that. And she said 2 buildings down. Okay. So she said 2 places down. So I believe it's this store. So it's usually a lot of these smaller stores that sell them. And you would just go ask them there. And I think usually they'll have these signs and they'll have the different phone companies. Like they'll say this, the SIM card, the brand. This is who I have, Vinaphone, but there's Vinaphone, Viatel, I think Mobifone, a couple other ones. So I think as long as you find that sign right there, you could purchase those cards. So if you just look for those, they're like those metal boards. You see these a lot in Asia. If you just walk down the street and you look for those, especially at these smaller stores, like little convenience stores, those are probably your best bet on where to buy them, assuming that when I use this card, it's all gonna be good. So real quick, we're gonna come in here to this tea place. It's a milk tea place. They also have food, it looks like, but I've never tried that. But we'll go ahead and go get some tea from inside here real quick. So I'll stroll in here and I'll show you guys real quick this tea place. 1 chocolate and 1 traditional, but 2 large.
Yeah.
So as they're smashing away, making that, we'll wait here. So hopefully everything will be good with that SIM card. Like I said, all I think I need to do is just go ahead and scratch it off, reveal the numbers, like on a gift card that you would get in the USA. And then you log into the app And what you do is you input those numbers and it'll credit your account. And once you have a certain amount of money on your account, you can now purchase that phone package that you want. So I'm gonna put on 120,000 VND, which is like, $4.50 roughly. And then once I do that, I'll go into the packages. And once I go into the packages, it'll give me different options. It'll say, you can buy this one for this month. You could buy 2 gigabytes, you can buy 10 gigabytes, whatever. So whatever one fits your need, you just go ahead and use your credit that you've uploaded onto your account with those SIM cards, and then you purchase that package. Here's one of my other favorite banh mi spots. It's right here on the corner. So I'll go ahead and order this one real quick too. So what I like to get is the pork with the chicken. That little mayo, it's like an egg mayo. I never get the pate, that's the duck liver. I never get that, I skip on that one. You could do a little hot sauce too. If you guys know what this meat exactly is called in Vietnam, please let me know. Because I did want to actually purchase some of that, either cooked or uncooked, and make it myself, but I still have yet to realize the name. You use this in one day? One day? Wow, that's a lot. So basically they said they use all this one that they're cutting and getting ready, all in one day. This one.
Okay.
Follow and subscribe.
Thank you. So it looks like we just got our 101st or 102nd subscriber. So that's always good.
You give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body, your mind.
So as I leave the beach and sign out, hopefully you guys learned a little bit of where to go, how to find your SIM cards or your recharge places. Hopefully you guys have a basic information of how exactly to get a SIM card, where to recharge it, how much it'll cost roughly, and exactly once you get your SIM card, what to do from that point. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you guys really enjoyed it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be on the lookout for my next videos from here in Da Nang, Vietnam, as well as all my future upcoming videos throughout Asia. So thank you very much, and please keep watching.